Hello students, in this video we are going to solve exercise 2.2 first questions part 3rd, 4th, 5th and 6th completely. First we are going to start with third part. Third part is 6x square minus 3 and minus 7. 6x squared minus 3 minus 7x. First of all, we arrange the terms. First we write the term with x squared, then with single x term is 7 minus and constant is minus 3 is equal to 0. Again, as we solving the by factorization, we take first and last terms coefficient 6 or 3. After multiplying we get 6 multiplied by 3, 18. Here possible factors are 1 by 18, then 2 by 9, 3 by 6, 4 is not possible, 5 not possible, 6 by 3, 9 by 2 are same repeated. Here we get 3 pairs and we have to choose only one from which we can make minus 7 after adding or subtracting. Let's see first. By adding with 19, subtracting we get 17 is rejected. 2 or 9. By adding we get 11, by subtracting we get 7. Yes, this is our pair. And we have to get minus 7, then we take greater number is negative. Hence we split this term by plus 2 or minus 9. Here we get 6x square plus 2x minus 9x minus 3 is equal to 0. See, first and last term is same and we have split minus 7 by 2 minus 9 in this way. Now we have to take the common from first two term and last two terms. From first two terms we get common x and 2. 2x is common, then here 2 common we get 3 and x, plus here 2x is common, then only 1 is here. One thing more, we always take this sign is common. If there is minus then we are going with minus common, and here is plus then we are going with plus. Now we are taking minus is common, and we also take common 3 and 9. 3 is common. Then here first term is minus is common, then both terms are positive, and taking 3 common we get to 3x plus 1. Here again these two factors are same, then we are on right track. Then our first factor is 3x plus 1 and second factor is 2x minus 3, remaining 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. Here we take 3x plus 1 is equal to 0 and 2x minus 3 again is equal to 0. By solving with x we get 3x is minus 1 and x is minus 1 upon 3. Again here 2x is equal to 3, then x is 3 upon 2. These we get two zeros of this polynomial. As we know that to verify the relationship between zeros and coefficients, one of them we take alpha and other is beta. That alpha is minus 1 upon 3 and beta is 3 upon 2. Here we have to verify the relationship between them. As we know that alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. We have to verify this sum of zeros. We have to verify them. First we are going to with alpha and beta. By putting the values we get minus 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 2. We also solving right side together. In right hand side we have to put the value of a and b. As we know that a, b, c are coefficients of the polynomial. Let's write here a is equal to coefficient of x square is 6 and v is coefficient of x is -7 and c is -3. By putting the values we get -7 divided by a is 6. Here for adding them we have to take LCM. LCM of 2 and 3 we get 6. By adding we get -2 plus 3 into 3 9 is 7 upon 6. After solving we get 7 upon 6 is 7.6. Now we have to verify the product. Product of zeros. In product of zeros we take alpha multiply by beta is equal to c upon a. We have to verify this equation. Here we put the value of alpha and beta. Alpha is -1 upon 3 and beta is 3 upon 2 is equal to c. Value of c is -3 and value of a is 6. Here in product we can cancel 3 with 3, then we get 1 upon 2 -1 upon 2. Here by cancelling 3 and 6 we get -1 upon 2, hence verified. Part third is completed after this verification, sum of zeros and product of zeros. In fourth part, 4u square plus 8u. 4u square plus 8u. If we compare this equation with quadratic equation, as we know that quadratic equation is a x square plus bx plus c. Here is missing term is constant term. Here is no constant. Let's see in this case how we can solve this equation. First of all, we take 4u square plus 8u is equal to 0. If there is no constant term, then we take common from these two terms. Here 4 or 8, 4 is common and 1u is common. Then first term we get u plus 2 is equal to 0. In this way we can make factors 4u and u plus 2 is 0. If 4u is equal to 0 or u plus 2 is equal to 0. By solving we get u is 0 upon 4 means 0 and u is -2. Here we get alpha is 0 and beta is -2. And by comparing quadratic equation we get coefficients a is 4, v is 8 and there is no c, then we can write c is 0. By comparing sum of zeros, we have to compare alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Here alpha plus beta is minus b upon a. Alpha is 0, beta is -2 is minus, value of b is 8 or value of a is 4. Here we get -2 is equal to -2. Hence verified. Sum of zeros is verified here. Now we have to verify product. In product we have to verify alpha multiply by beta is plus c upon a. Here value of alpha is 0, multiply by -2, again c is 0, value of a is 4. Here we get 0 is equal to 0, hence this part is also verified. Sum of zeros is equal to minus b upon a and product of zeros is equal to c upon a.